How to get approved for the Citi Double Cash Card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. The Citi Double Cash Card is a popular option for the cashback rewards. If you're considering applying, understanding the credit score requirements is helpful. Previously, approval was limited to those with a good credit, but Citi has since relaxed its criteria. For the Citi Double Cash Card, a credit score of 580 or the higher is recommended, while a score of 700 or more used to be necessary. That's no longer the case. Citi now accepts the applications from the individuals with a fair, good, or excellent credit. A high score is advantageous, but a lower score won't automatically disqualify you. When you apply for this or other Citi credit cards, Citi checks your FICO score. This is a type of credit score most lenders look at. Before you apply, make sure that you know your FICO score to confirm that you're in the recommended range, and your credit score isn't the only thing that the Citi reviews during the application process. There are some other important factors that you should all know about as well. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.